am extremely honored to be the next AWRF president, and I really appreciate the recognition for the work that I've done on the board. However, I could not have done it without the incredible talent of the people on the board with me. And we have a great, dedicated group of people who generously give their time to this organization. And they, like I, see the value in AWRF, and they see the potential of this organization for growth. And this pie is an example of that potential. And when we look at this pie and the past pie, we've had around 700 people for 2 pies now. So this is a very positive trend that's being fueled by listening to our members and by promoting ourselves in different ways and getting the word out there about who we are and what we do. Our next pie, like Jeff said, is going to be in 2016, and it's going to be in New Orleans, and we have high ambitions for our attendance numbers. So I hope you'll all be there and bring some people. The last 5 years on board have been such an amazing experience for me. And I just would really like to encourage everybody to run because it's really great. You learn so much. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about what I've learned. I've watched masters like Tom Wynn raise really tough questions. I've been taught by Jeff Bishop how to ask for a very large budget. I've experienced amazing collaboration with Doug Stitt and Bill Franz and the QHSE committee. I've watched Mike Parham arrange speakers for all the AWRFs that I've been to, and he makes it look so easy. Mike, you have done an amazing job, thank you. I've learned the value of listening from Paul Beckman. I've learned the importance of our past from Robert Barstow, and the potential of our future from Jim Stradinger. I've learned not to sweat the small stuff from Tom Miller. I've learned to question everything from Mark Reeves. I've learned to lay back and really enjoy it from Bruce Schroeder. And I've learned great leadership from John Rao, Gary O'Rourke, and definitely Scott St. Germain. And I could go on and on. The people that I have had the pleasure of working with on this board have been incredible, and I really look forward to working with the new people coming in. Of course, none of this would have been possible without my mom and dad. So Mom, I'd like to thank you for teaching me how to be strong. And Dad, I'd like to thank you for teaching me how to be bold. And my brother and sister, who are also my business partners, Kathy and Kevin, I'd like to thank you for supporting me on this amazing journey. And definitely last but not least, my wonderful husband, Mark Dingman. I love you and thank you for all the support because I definitely could not do what I do without you. Just a little bit more. I want to give special thanks to Andrew Grimm because he wrote the letter being our sponsor to get us into AWRF 5 years ago. So if you want to complain about somebody, talk to him. And I also need to thank Dwayne Kamitsky, who unfortunately is not here, but he gave me great advice. He told me to get involved. And I'd like to pass that along to all of you. It's really a great experience. Jeff and Barb and Karen, they do so much work behind the scenes. You guys have no idea what they go through. The last 2 weeks have been pretty frantic for them. Thank you, you guys do a great job. And I'd like to thank all of you for believing in me, and I promise I won't let you down. Thanks.